What's up guys, to this new video. In this video you're gonna learn how to create a glue effect in the Figma application. So the first step is to go to Community tab and search for glue. Navigate to plugins, and here you'll see that there is a glue plugin. Click on try it out and wait until it loads. Then close that tab, create a new shape, customize it and make it your own. Go to plugins, start the glue plugin, and here you'll see that a new bubble will appear on your screen. You can actually scroll up and down on the lamp on the center of it to change the intensity of the glueness. There is a color picker icon, so you can change the color of the glueness. You can also set the RGB, HSL or hex values. You have also the option to set the amount of the glueness or to match fill color, which will make the shape fill color match the glueness color. Then click on apply when you have finished, and here's your glue effect had been applied successfully to your design. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.